This is a brand new 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a heated steering wheel with audio controls, a sunroof, heated seats, commercial-free satellite radio, a turbocharger, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, leather seats, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel mounted controls, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, a rear window defroster, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.